This is Matonic. Today I'm gonna show you the unboxing of this PALBOT speaker. So let's see, I got this one at Price. Yeah, I went to the Price today and I saw this and kind of cute, so I just bought it. Actually, I don't really need it, but I kind of, use this one as a kind of like a display, because I like collectible stuff. So let's see what we have. By the way, this one is on sale for 15 bucks, and regular price, and I check it on Amazon, it's around $27–28. So I think it's a steal, so I decided to get one. So it comes with registration card, user's manual, and a micro USB cable. This one has a built-in rechargeable battery, so that's why it comes with this cable. Okay, so this one has a movable arm, and I think this eyes are LEDs too. This is on the back, and it has a sticker still, so let's remove this. Okay, it says here, just move my switch to awake, turn my volume up, plug me in, and I will be happy to show you what I can do. Please make sure to charge me up with the included USB cable. I only take around 2 hours to fully charge. When I'm charging, my eyes will be purple, and when I'm fully charged, they'll turn blue. Feel free to move my arms around. It's fun for both of us. When you are done enjoying the music, please move my switch to sleep. I will help me save energy for our next jam session. I'm very happy to meet a new friend. That's kind of cool. So this one has a built-in cable. It's kind of long. I thought it's just so short. It's a retractable 3.5mm jack to connect to the phone. And this is the micro USB cable for charging. And this is the volume. And what else? And there's a wake and sleep switch. And I think that's it. Let's try this. Awake. Alright, so it lights up. That's pretty cool. And now let's see how we're gonna test it. Okay, so let's try this cute little Android. I'm gonna get some music on my phone. Okay.
Magic.
Alright, so I just make a quick sample all sound test, and it's pretty much sounds okay. I would say it has a built like a kind of kick up some of the bass, so which is fine for this size. So I think just to sum up this, I think it's pretty cool speaker for that price. I think it's worth my 15 bucks for this one because it's on sale. But for 27 bucks, you know what, I would probably you know, invest more. If you're more into speaker function, I would go with other, you know, speaker. But this is kind of cool if, you know, just for display, and you know, if you're not into like a music. But this one will kind of give you I would say an A-OK sound for the size. Alright, so I hope you like this video, and hit like button if you like it, and then subscribe so you can see my next video. Alright, so once again, this is Matanic, and see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.